Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to try and do a little bit of an update on this TTR50. I haven't got much time, so it's only going to be a little short vid, but we're going to try and see if we can see any signs of life from the bike at all. I'm told the problem is that it leaks engine oil out all everywhere, so that's what we're going to try and fix. So I have put a bunch of oil in it. It's not leaked any out overnight, so maybe it's only when it's running, but it did have literally no oil in it whatsoever. So I've put a bunch of oil in it and it's held it so far. So yeah, we're just going to see if we can turn it over, see if there's any spark maybe. There's no battery on it. The battery thing is down there. There is this cable for a battery, but yeah, there is no battery. I've already took the pegs and the bash plate off the bottom of the engine just so I can see if any oil did leak out and where it was coming from and everything, but like I say, nothing's leaked out yet. This brake lever is proper mangled as well. Look, you can't even, that's properly bent. But yeah, so I guess first things first, try and hook up a battery to that. I have got a battery. I've got this 12-volt battery here. So I guess we'll try and make a cable up and see if we can bodge it onto that connector there. Right, so I've made these cables up, so they should be able to slot onto those contact points there, and yeah, we'll see if we can get it connected to the bike. Right, just think that battery there maybe. Right, so there's the battery hooked up. None of them. That's off. That's on. Nothing. There we go. There's a key. Let me turn that. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh. That seemed to show some signs of life when I pressed this. Oh, sweet. Just let it pump some oil around. Right, that's another thing as well. Like, you see on this valve cap, there's like some sort of hole, and then this cable goes to it, and that cable goes all the way through the bike and comes out on the back end. I don't know what that's for. But yeah, anyway, should we whip the spark plug out and see if we've got spark? Right, keep an eye on that plug and see if you can see if we've got any spark. Let's turn it over. Where's that button? Here we go. Oh, that's a good spark. Do I dare stick some fuel in it? I mean, that car, I've had it in the back of my garage doing nothing for at least 5 years, and I think it's been standing for longer than that before I got it. So you know, I don't know whether that carb's going to be all gummed up. We'll see. I'll chuck a bit of fuel in it. See if we can get a bit of life out of the old girl. Let's have a look. Alright, we've got a bit of fuel in there. Let's see what happens. Alright, well it definitely runs. Nice. Right, I think we're about running out of time for today, but we managed to make a little bit of progress. We've got a battery hooked up, we've got some oil in it, we've got spark, carb's alright, it runs a little bit. It's still not leaking any oil or any fluids yet, so yeah, we'll revisit it in the next one. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you want to see what happens with this bike.